Welcome to my Poshmark closet, Unicorn Dreams 05. I'm going to talk about real quick and show you how to change your username. This is part 2 of it. And let me go ahead. This is Poshmark.com and I'm just going to go ahead and log in via my Facebook. And this is my closet. And then if you go up here to the right hand side, it'll have a little picture or your initials. You'll click on that and you'll go down to account settings, and that's about, let's see, 11 down if I counted right. So you'll click on account settings and then you'll move over to the left hand side and click on account info. And right here you'll see my name, Unicorn Dreams 05. And then in order to change it, you just click on that. And then you'll have to have a verification code, which was already sent to me. I'm not going to change it because I've already changed my username once. But you enter the verification code here. And sometimes I don't know if it'll work via the computer or the phone. It doesn't work one way, so you'll have to do it another way. I am showing you via computer though, because it's a little bit easier than actually showing on my phone. And if you want to change your email, you can change it here as well. Password, phone number, you can all do that right here on the account info. So if you don't like your username again and want to change it, this is where you do it at. And so this is again part 2, step by step, on how you would change your Poshmark username. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much and welcome back to my videos, and hope you enjoy them. Click like please, I'd appreciate it. If you're new to my Poshmark videos, please click subscribe so you can keep your eye out on or for other videos that I produce in regards to Poshmark and selling online. Subscribe and hit like. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.